Have you been struggling to break into B2B organizations? I mean, big, large-scale enterprises like MTN, GT Bank, Zenith, and the likes. Have you been struggling to find the real decision makers in those big organizations such that you cannot close them easily? I've got good news for you. I have a business-to-business sales masterclass coming up. I'll be training participants, whether you're a C-level executive, a CEO, or you are a sales executive selling to large-scale organizations. I'll be showing you how exactly you can find the right decision makers in big enterprises, how you can prospect them and get them to listen to you, how you can book qualified meetings with them, design tailored presentations that are convincing, and how you deliver those presentations, how you can negotiate with them, and of course, close them. I'll be breaking down, to the very elements, the core, the hard core of B2B sales. It's going to be a no holds barred session. Extremely practical. I'll be showing you how exactly it's done. Click on the link below right now to register your details and your sales team. If you want your sales team to exit target selling B2B this year, this is the training for you. I look forward to seeing you in class.